welcome back to another video with your girl Queenisha on Vlogmas day number 2. Yes, we're doing Vlogmas this year. So today we're going to be doing some DIY ornaments with my niece and my nephew. So I'm going to show you guys what you need. Like, this is all you need: paint, ornaments, and newspaper. But yeah, we did some test runs before to make sure we got everything right, but this is how they actually will be turning out. Okay, so you would need a box or a bunch of clear ornaments, some cups, and paint. And yeah, we just rest them there. We just got paint from the dollar store, I believe. But it's very easy to make, sadly. I mean, you know what I mean. Yeah, we got that from Michael's. You could also get it from the dollar store, I guess. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to tilt the ornament to the side and just try and squeeze it so it can go down, like slide down the side of the ornament. Then you just fill it up with paint like that. You use any paint you want. I did a gold and red one this time. One of the last steps is you want to put a napkin over it or something, not put a paint not to get on your hand, and you want to shake it until all of the paint is all over the ornament where you see no black. Then after that, you just want to put it in the cup and drain it for a day and then flip it over. So you flip it over and let the top dry, or the paint should be dry. Then you could just put the cover over it and then put it on your tree, and you have a pretty DIY ornament.
Jingle bell, bell, bell.